pre-fertilization events. These includes all the events of sexual reproduction prior to fusion of gametes. The two main pre-fertilization events are gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Gametogenesis. As you are already aware, gametogenesis refers to the process of formation of two types of gametes, male and female. Gametes are haploid cells. In some algae, the two gametes are so similar in appearance that it is not possible to categorize them into male and female gametes. They are hence called homogeneous isogametes. However, in a majority of sexually reproducing organisms, the gametes produced are of two morphologically distinct types, heterogametes. In such organisms, the male gamete is called the antherozoids or sperm and the female gamete is called the egg or ovum. Sexuality in organisms. Sexual reproduction in organisms generally involves the fusion of gametes from two different individuals, but this is not true always. From your recollection of examples studied in class 11, can you identify cases where self-fertilization is observed? Of course, citing such examples in plant is easy. Plants may have both male and female reproductive structures in the same plant, bisexual, or on different plants, unisexual. In several fungi and plants, terms such as homothallic and monoecious are used to denote the bisexual condition, and heterothallic and dioecious are terms used to describe unisexual conditions. In flowering plants, the unisexual male flower is staminate, eye-bearing stamens, while the female is pistillate or bearing the pistils. In some flowering plants, both male and female flowers may be present on the same individual, monoecious, or on separate individual, dioecious. Some examples of monoecious plants are cucurbits and coconuts, and of dioecious plants are papaya and date palms. Name the type of gametes that are formed in staminate and pistillate flowers. What about animals? Are individuals of species either male or female unisexual, or are there species which possess both the reproductive organs, bisexual? You probably can make a list of several unisexual animal species: earthworms, sponge, tapeworm, and leech. Typical examples of bisexual animals that possess both male and female reproductive organs are hermaphrodites. Cockroach is an example of a unisexual species. Cell division during gamete formation. Gametes in all heterogametic species are of two types, namely male and female. Gametes are haploid, though the parent plant body from which they arise may either haploid or diploid. A haploid parent produces gametes by mitotic division. Does this mean that meiosis never occur in organisms that are haploid? Carefully examine the flow chart of life cycles of algae that you have studied in class 11, chapter 3, to get a suitable answer. Several organisms belonging to Monera fungi, algae and bryophytes have haploid plant body, but in organisms belonging to pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, and most of the animals, including human beings, the parental body is diploid. It is obvious that meiosis, the reduction division, has to occur if a diploid body has to produce haploid. In diploid organisms, specialized cells called meiocytes, gamete mother cells, undergo meiosis. At the end of the meiosis, only one set of chromosomes get incorporated into each gamete. Carefully study table 1.1 and fill in the diploid and haploid chromosomes numbers of organisms. Is there any relationship in the number of chromosomes of meiocytes and gametes?